Hello world, it's August 26th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Fake CoinMarketCap journalists target crypto executives. Over 19 million installs of malicious apps removed from Google Play. AI browsers could leave users penniless after prompt injections. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Farmers Insurance says 1 million customers affected by cyberattack. Arch Linux targeted by ongoing DDoS attack. Cyber News brought to you by 911 Cyber. Google will verify Android developers in 4 countries to stop malicious apps. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.